How to play CS2 in 4-3 stretched plus best resolution. So all you have to do is just simply open your Counter-Strike 2 or your Steam application. Now go to settings, and as you can see, all you have to do is to follow this one. To get the best resolution, if you go to aspect ratio, you must click this normal for 3, okay? And also for resolution, you have to select this 1020 times 1440. For display mode, of course, you have to choose full screen. And for refresh rate, you have to click this 120 here. Okay. And then what you're going to do is just simply click apply after that. Now, the next thing to do here after you modify or change the settings is to open NVIDIA control panel. Open this one. And then here, what you're going to do is just simply follow this, apply the following settings. For scaling size, of course, you have to change this to full screen. So we have here perform scaling on. You have to choose GPU if possible. And for resolution, you can change this to this one, or simply it depends on the compatibility of your computer. And lastly, we have here, you can also customize your NVIDIA settings. If the other one didn't work, then you can follow this one. You can change resolution, select the display you would like to change. Should be the same. Okay, same device. Choose the resolution. You can choose this 250 or 2560 times 1440, or you can customize and look for the specific resolution that matches to your device. I mean, that can give you the best resolution when you play CS2. So all you have to do is to go to Steam settings and NVIDIA settings to get the best resolution. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.